If your symptoms have been worse lately, your fatigue has increased, your pain is more intense, the brain fog is getting heavier, and you're wondering why, just take a look at what's been happening around us. The constant stream of difficult news, the uncertainty, the pressure in the world right now. Your body doesn't ignore that. It responds to it. And even if nothing in your personal life has changed, your system may still be reacting. In this video, I'll explain what's happening and 3 simple things that can actually help. And even if you don't have a diagnosis, this still applies to you if you're feeling the stress of world events right now. Recently, someone left a comment on one of my videos that really stayed with me. They said, "I think the world is collectively feeling an extra layer of stress with all the uncertainty, and I feel so drained all the time." And my reply to them was, "You're definitely not alone in feeling that way. It's a challenging time, and it makes sense that increased stress could be affecting how you feel." But after I wrote that, I kept thinking about it. Because even if nothing in your day-to-day life has changed, your body can still be picking up on what's happening in the wider world. That underlying sense of uncertainty, your nervous system doesn't ignore that. There's one other thing to consider first that I want to talk about because this often gets overlooked. We've also been going through winter. Less daylight, colder weather, and that affects everyone's mood, your energy, your sleep, and even your pain levels. This isn't just about feeling a bit low. These are real physical effects on a system that may already be working harder than usual. So if you've been asking yourself, why does everything feel harder right now? It may not be one thing. It may be a combination of what's happening in the world and the season and your body responding to all of it at once. When your system is already more sensitive because of stress or illness, things that might pass through other people, like constant uncertainty, tension, or negative news, can land more heavily in our bodies. And that can show up as more fatigue, more pain, more brain fog, or feeling emotionally drained, even if you don't feel stressed in the usual way. So, what can you actually do about this? The first option is reduce what you're taking in. That might mean limiting the news that you watch or listen to, not constantly checking updates, and bringing your focus back to your own day-to-day life. Not because you don't care, but because your nervous system needs protection. Personally, I don't watch the news much at all, particularly because I realised it was really adding to my stress and anxiety and it was affecting my sleep. Then I realised if there's something important, I'll hear about it anyway, probably from my husband. And life has been so much calmer since I made that decision. The second one is change how you take your information in. Now, if you do want to stay informed, and you can stick to that choice, but here's some ways to reduce the stress. Choose calmer sources of information, maybe more balanced viewpoints. Avoid constant updates, so don't have the news on all the time in the background. Limit how often you check, and be mindful of when you check the news, especially not before bed. So in that way you stay informed without overwhelming your system. And the third option, if neither of those two appeal to you, is reduce the what-if stress. A lot of our stress comes from what if something happens, and one simple way of calming that is to prepare, especially for those things that you are most concerned about. Not in a dramatic way, just small practical steps that will help you feel more secure. For example, when I was worried about power cuts, we bought some candles and some basic supplies. So if that ever happened, I know where to go and what to do. And it's no longer a concern for me at all. And that alone helped my system relax because once that fear settles, your energy comes back. The reality is you don't need to carry the weight of the world when your body is already carrying so much. When you have a chronic illness, you're struggling with stress or fibromyalgia. So if you've been feeling worse lately, take that as a sign to come back to yourself. Slow things down, reduce what you're taking in, and give your system space. This isn't about pushing through, it's about responding in the right way. Let me know in the comments, have you been feeling like this lately? And if you know someone who might need to hear this today, feel free to share this video with them. I'll see you in the next video, so until then, take care of yourself and be well.